Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now mushrooms are very easy to cook and I personally love making snacks, starters or appetizers using mushrooms. Today I am going to share one such interesting recipe. It's called butter garlic mushrooms. Now I instantly fell in love with the taste of this particular dish and I've been waiting to share it with you guys. This is a mushroom lover's delight, I would say. So without waiting, let's get started and dive right into the recipe. To the pan, add 100 grams of unsalted butter. Once the butter is completely melted, add 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute the onions for about 2 minutes. Next, add 600 grams of fresh button mushrooms. Now, if you don't have button mushrooms, you can use any other mushrooms that's available for you. Just make sure whichever mushrooms you're using that they are fresh. If the mushrooms are too large, you can cut them into half. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of finely chopped garlic. Mix everything well so all the mushrooms are nicely coated with the garlic and onions and the butter. After about 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of crushed pepper. Mix everything well. You can see how the mushrooms are beautifully cooking in those juices. It's released all that excess moisture. Once the mushrooms are completely cooked, add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. If you get parsley, you can also use that instead of coriander. So you can see the mushrooms have got this lovely golden brown color. It's cooked to perfection. These beautiful and juicy button mushrooms are coated with the garlic and butter and the pepper and coriander. The flavors are just spot on. They make for a perfect side dish. You can serve it with any main course of your choice or you can enjoy it as is with some nice bread by the side. I'll give you a couple of links for the other mushroom recipes that I've made earlier. You can check them out as well. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. Although you get different variety of mushrooms in the market, I would recommend the button mushrooms for this recipe. It's perfect for a nice cozy dinner at home with your family. So do try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.